Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to redeem $30 Uber Eats discount code, and you might get more codes, to stay till the very end. The first website you're going to look at is groupon.co.uk. As you can see, it says get $12 off your first order over £20, and this is like literally more than 50% off. So you just click on C code, it's gonna load, and as you can see, new UK 12 is the code. Next up we have couponfollow.com. As you can see, they have $15 off, and then like another $15 off, even $20 off, $50 off, things like that. So you just need to click on show coupon code and they'll instantly show you everything. Next up, we have simplycodes.com, and they automatically put up whatever the best deal is for that day. As you can see, this is the deal, and it worked for 2 people. And then we have vouchercodes.co.uk, but this is only available for the United Kingdom. So if you're from there, make sure you take advantage of it. Next up, we have coupons.com, and this one is only available in the US. So if you're situated in the US, make sure you take advantage of this. Last but not the least, we have hotukdeals.com, who have like a bunch of Uber Eats. And if you want to find such more deals, just head over to your Google and search for Uber Eats promo code, and from there you're gonna find it. And yeah, this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.